Welcome to Spread Hunter Daily Safari, recorded on April 25th, Wednesday. For the past week plus, the SPY has wandered around in the high 260s, most recently closing the day on Monday at 267. Until yesterday, Tuesday the 24th, when the market gave off the ghost and the Dow sold off more than 500 points. In the face of that, earnings are popping. Some good, some not so good. Today, we had Facebook with earnings up 12%. The stock is up, I don't know how many points, but it's up significantly after the close. The one that I highlighted was O'Reilly Auto Parts. The stock is up 12% or 27 points. After closing here, you see in Spread Hunter, you see the stock closed at 228.20 and it's trading at 255. And what I want you to see is the way the spread is laid out here on our platform. You could have bought the 240, 250 spread for $2.38. You could have bought the 250, 260 spread for $1.48. I prefer the lower one for just under $2.50. And with the 27-point up move, this spread will open tomorrow at 255. This spread will open very close to full value. It'll be somewhere north of, I want to say, $7.50 or $8. That was my estimate of where it'll open tomorrow. But 2 to get you 8 is a good trade anytime. And similarly, in the SPYs, the SPYs bottomed out this morning right around 261, I want to say. And you can see here that they closed at 264.15. And I think they're trading higher, even higher after the close. I think they're trading close to 265. So the spread that was being traded by Spread Hunter, spread traders, was the 67.5. This is a $1.50 spread. It was trading all over the place at 20 cents earlier today. I know several people who bought it. The spread closed at 40 cents. And where it's going to open tomorrow, with the SPYs up another full point and a quarter, it should open close to this price, the 72-cent price. So these are the kinds of risk rewards that are just sitting right here in front of you on the platform. And whether you want to buy a put spread or a call spread, you can just wade into the water here. And, yes, you have to take risk, but the risks are laid out. They're codified. You know what they are. And, you pays your money, you takes your chances. But for 20 cents, 5 lot of spreads, $100, probably going to be close to $600 or $700 tomorrow. So that's what we do with Spread Hunter. We'll talk to you again soon.